Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel, Martin 6 Trading. Of course, still with me, Martin 6, and today is 24th of March 2021. Okay, just like always, I will make some update about my trading journal. Of course, still using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo as my trading system. And now we just go straight to my MT4. Okay, here we go, my MT4. We take a look in the chart. This is a chart of the Bitcoin 5 minute. Okay, but I don't trade Bitcoin, but I just have it in my chart because I just want to know how is the movement of the Bitcoin. Okay, now straight to my trading. Today is 24 March 2021. Today is Wednesday, I think. Okay, Wednesday, and it's been a while since my last vlog. I think my last vlog is last week. Okay, now we take a look at Bitcoin. So basically, that I have several position today. I will show you. Tada. Okay, this is the overall is my position. Yes, I have really quite a lot position today. I think how many is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 11 nah, 12 position total, and I get now today is $246 floating profit with margin level in 4,100%. So I think this one still in the moderate risk. Okay, if you take a look here, the risk is quite big actually, but of course only you are know the one about the risk that you need to take. Okay, don't take it what I have here. Don't follow if you not understand your own risk. Of course I do understand my own risk, that's why I take quite risky trading. Okay, I get risky because when you total here, when one single trade is 200 pips, can you imagine this is more than 2000 pips when I lost it all in the same time. But of course you think again, is it possible to have all the trading is in the lost position? Yes, of it's possible, 100% I can say that it's possible, but somehow some way I believe that my trading setup will not happen like that. Yeah, I'm not try to bragging about the trading system. I say that Ichimoku is the best, not, but as you can see, this is some of the pair here that I already took is already floating more than 300, 200 pips. So I think the possibility is there, but it's slim. Okay, of course you need really know about your trading system and to handle the situation. If you will really lost all your 12 position, all is lost. Oh my god, I cannot imagine that. But of course this is, can be happen. Okay, it just go straight on the chart. The first position is pound sterling versus Swedish kroner. It's been how many days? 1 2 3, around 1 week. The price is just sideways in this area. Yeah, okay. But the important thing is I already moved the stop loss to break even point. Okay, give it a sec. $66 for the moment. Another this is Swiss franc versus Singaporean dollar. Swiss franc Singaporean dollar, $50 floating profit, and I already moved also stop loss to break even point. And the third one, this is USD versus Swiss kroner. I already moved also the stop loss to break even point, and USD. This one is $52 also floating profit. Okay, this one pound sterling versus Australian dollar. Okay, well, I can say that this is not really good trend. I cannot see the trend because the trend is not there. The price actually when since the how many, I think 2 weeks ago when I bought this pair pound sterling versus Australian dollar, actually there is no trend at all. Okay, this the price is only set away. Can you see by yourself here, the green, red, red, the price is not going up and not going down, just roaming around in this particular area. Okay, maybe around 100 pips daily range, 200 pips up, down, and until now, yes, even though this is still floating profit, but this is only slim profit, not really big, and this is actually not really good position since the price only set away. Okay, and of course, as a swing trader, we only took the position which is strong trend. Okay, either bearish or bullish, and this is not really good indication. That's why I think I will decide to close this one, because I'm not really sure. Okay, okay, I will close this one. Pound sterling, Australian dollar. I will close with profit only $4. Okay, I will close it. So the reason is obvious. Okay, I already explained to you the reason why I closed this trade, this position. And okay, we move to the next, Euro USD. This is bearish. The stop loss is quite far, 200 pips, and now floating profit. Euro USD, take a look. Euro USD, $13. Okay, not so bad. The stop loss is still in the place, the original position. Maybe I will move it when the price already move, maybe 100 or 200 pip. Okay, we move to the next, USD, Danish kroner. Floating profit, USD Danish kroner, $11, and the stop loss also still in the remaining position. I haven't moved it yet, but this one is, I can say this one is the sample of a good trend. Okay, this is the starting point also is good. The Kumo is already green, the Chikou span is already in the outer space, and Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen will be forming soon when the price will going up, maybe one or several days ahead. Okay, and we move to the next position, USD Swedish kroner, and this is the same position. Also, the setup from Ichimoku Kinko Hyo also is quite nice. Chikou span's already outside in the space. The Kumo clouds already break out, is green, getting bigger and bigger, and the stop loss is 200 pips. Okay, USD Swedish kroner. Let's take a look. USD Swedish kroner, $18 floating profit, and we move to the next. Okay, this one is quite new trading. I just took it yesterday, or I think 2 days ago or yesterday. And yesterday there's a long red candle here. So this is the result. For the moment, USD, no USD, New Zealand dollar versus Canadian dollar, $24. Okay, or 100 pips floating. Okay, this is really nice when you got in the beginning, when you open the trade, suddenly the price is spiked down with the long red candle like this. Okay, so but for the moment I just leave it the stop loss in the original position. Okay, and we move to the next position is what is this? This is Euro Polish Zloty. Euro Polish Zloty. Okay, Euros Polish Zloty. This is also quite strong bullish, even though okay, I said even though, because according my own Ichimoku setup is not really ideal, but this is obviously this is strong bullish. Can you see the several candle? Almost all the candle is green, only 1, 2, 3 is red, and now my position is floating profit. Okay, $5, but okay, this one also I will keep the stop loss in the original position. Okay, and we move to the next trade, pound sterling and Canadian dollar. Okay, this one is I took based on 12 hours time frame. Okay, the reason why I took 12 hour time frame is because normally normally based on my experience and on my research is this will be the continuation to become strong bearish, because now is the Kumo cloud already break out, is already green, the Kumo, and the Chikou span is pointing down, pointing the bearish situation, and now is floating profit. Okay, this is floating profit $4. This one I took because I also want to be a little bit aggressive. Because if you are sometimes waiting in the daily on the daily time frame, it take a little bit longer, of course. That's why when you take a look the confirmation from 12 hour between 12 hour time frames and daily when is the movement is similar, so I decided to take the position. As simple as that. Okay, we'll move to the next. The next position is okay. This is quite really nice and sexy setup for Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. The Chikou span already pointing out, and Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen also is going down, forming down. We waiting until the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen also forming side by side like the railway. Okay, this is a really nice setup for me, but of course nice setup is not guaranteed, but at least we're talking about the probability here. And Australian dollar cut, I will put a stop loss because it's still empty. Put a stop loss. I'll put maybe 200 pips. Okay, the stop loss 200 pips. Okay, this is 200 pips. Yes, I took this trade today, so we cannot see any profit or any result yet. Okay, and this is the last trade that I have. Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, this is quite early actually, but I decided to take it because I'm using a 12-hour trading frame to what do you call this? I use 12-hour time frame for my basic setup also. That's why I decided to took this trade quite early. This is quite starting to flying bullish, but of course we never know the outcome. But the important thing is it doesn't matter what position or what the setup or anything else, but the important thing is you need to put the stop loss. So I will put the stop loss here, Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, I will put also 200 pips. Okay, voila. Okay, 200 pips, but it seems like for me this is quite little bit narrow because the daily range from Euro New Zealand dollar is quite big, and I will just decide to move it here 400 pips stop loss. Okay, voila. Okay, that is ready. Okay, this is for overall position that I have now is $244 floating profit. Of course, anything can be happen. It's going to be changed soon. Yesterday, I need to inform you actually that the price is the total profit that I have is not like this. But today it seems like everything goes according to the plan. If you see, almost all my position here 1 2 3 up to the 12 position that I have, or 11 position that I have, all is in the green zone. But of course that is trading, minus and plus, positive and negative, that is the part of the business. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That is for today, my short vlog, my short update regarding my my real trading with IC market Australia. Okay guys, I'll see you next week because today is already Wednesday. I don't think I will make vlog tomorrow. I will make a new update next week. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching wherever you are. Keep safe, keep healthy. I'll see you. Ciao.